So shipment managed to get it to LA on Tuesday. Went well, no hiccups. Cleared customs. Customs actually stamped the paperwork this year, unlike last year, so there was no hiccups there. We flew in on Friday, hired the truck, got a night's sleep, went and picked up Priscilla and the boxes on Saturday. We've been road tripping for day 3, about 980-mile road trip. But we will be heading up to Wendover today, which is where Bonneville is, and we can start getting ready for setting up our pits area and hopefully breaking some records in the next few days. Good thing is we have coffee, we got a flat road, it's all good.